Today I'm at Spruce Knob in West Virginia, Seneca Creek backcountry. It's August 15th, I believe, and it's 54 degrees up here. Feels great. It's kind of wet though. So going with two boats today, Brian and Nick. They're both from Pennsylvania. Can't see anything up here today. It's cloudy. Maybe on the hike out we'll see something, but here's where we're going. So yeah, highest point in West Virginia, well-used trail. I don't think we'll see as many people today because it's a little bit rainy, but really a nice place. In fact, Brian has been here 18 times now over the years, and I have come only a handful of times with him, but I've been here on other occasions, so I might have been here 3 or 4 times. I've been here in the winter, crazy snow up here, and there's some good scenery if the clouds will show it to us today, let us see it. So I'm gonna stop filming and start hiking. Yep, that's the trail today. So we finished hiking and we're hanging out under a rock right now. Still raining. This is Brian Garrett's spot. I'm dry. Well, I'm not getting wet. So we made it to our campsite here at Seneca Creek. We hung out under the rock that Brian Garrett has hung out under many times. And I'm in my tent now. I'm getting ready to go to bed. Probably 9 o'clock, maybe 9:30. And I can hear the river rushing beside me here. We have a couple creek crossings tomorrow that'll be interesting. But the hike today was about 6 point something miles down here to the creek, and then maybe it'll be a little bit longer tomorrow. We go along the creek and then climb back up to the car, basically. It's a scenic hike when it's not cloudy, so hopefully it'll clear up a little bit. But tomorrow morning I also want to walk down to the waterfall that's near here and film that. So hopefully I can get across the creek and get over to where I can film that, and probably before these two guys get up. I think they're in their tents now. I came down here earlier than they did to go to bed, but I've been up for a little while looking at the pictures and stuff from today. So anyway, good night.